Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve the File Explorer availability status error in OneDrive on Windows 11. This is a common problem that many users face, and fixing it is vital to make sure your files are properly synced and easy to reach. Let's jump right in and get this fixed for you in just a couple of minutes. To start, we need to find the OneDrive icon. Look in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your desktop. If it isn't visible, it might be inside the Hidden Icons menu. Click the small upward arrow to see those icons, and you should find a cloud symbol representing OneDrive. After you locate the OneDrive icon, click on it. This will open a small panel showing your current sync status. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of this panel, which represents your settings. Click it, and then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This will open the main OneDrive settings window. From here, navigate to the Sync and Backup tab on the left. This area is essential for controlling your file synchronization. You should turn on the feature to save photos and screenshots. This setting automatically backs up any pictures or screenshots you capture, making them available across your devices. Next, we need to look at the Advanced Settings section. Click on this to reveal further configuration choices. In this area, you will see an option to download all files under the Files on Demand category. By selecting this, you ensure that all your cloud data is downloaded directly to your computer, allowing for easier access even when you don't have an internet connection. Simply click Continue to confirm your selection and save the changes. This will trigger OneDrive to start the download process and sync everything with File Explorer. You should notice the availability status icons updating in File Explorer, which means your files are syncing correctly. Keep in mind that this process might take a while depending on your internet speed and how many files you have. Just be patient while OneDrive works in the background to get everything updated. That is all there is to it. Once the synchronization is finished, the availability status error should no longer appear. If you run into any further trouble, verify your internet connection and make sure you have enough disk space. Following these steps carefully will give you seamless access to your OneDrive files on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and if this was helpful, please subscribe for more useful tips and tech tutorials.